society and a serial entrepreneur. He has been awarded Young Scientist India in 2014 and has been recognized as Blogger of the Year Rising Star in 2016. He has been a delegate to various international conferences like the Harvard Project of Asian and International Relations, HPAR, European Innovation Academy, a Young Founders Asia Summit, and many more. In fact, he has traveled more than 10 countries on scholarships. He has also worked as a mentor in Atal Innovation Mission by Government of India and has also delivered talks in numerous colleges. Yogansh has found his passion in doing business, especially in growth hacking and marketing strategies. He has grown exponentially to fame on LinkedIn, his motto being hard work, hunger, and humility. With more than 40,000 followers on all platforms combined, Yogansh has already earned himself a passionate following. He even has his own YouTube series, Nonsense Paradise, where he shares his stories and experiences related to the business world. Today, he's here with us to discuss his journey of all his highs and lows. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Alicia. Thank you for the lovely introduction. But I'll make some changes there. So I've been to 10 countries only, not more than 10 countries. And so yes, so there are a lot of things which Alicia I think didn't mention in the introduction. So the major thing like why I'm having this conversation with you all of you is I think you all are into your bachelor's or master's I guess, and we all come from a like similar age group, right? So I'll keep it very informal. Okay, so Alicia already like made this conversation very formal, so इसको हल्का रखते हैं, we'll make it informal. ठीक है, जिसके जो सवाल है we'll take every questions now.
Yes,
So, so why we are having this conversation is because we come from the same age group, right? And I have worked with some of the giants and some startups globally. Also, I worked with Microsoft. I worked with Tender, Godrej, Dell, and a lot of startups also, global startups. And I think like the major difference what I see with me and other students is that they are not self-aware, राइट. सो सेल्फ अवेयरनेस वाला इज अ मेजर फैक्टर है, राइट. उन लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता कि जिस चीजें दुनिया में हो रही है. टू बी ऑनेस्ट व्हेन आई ट्रैवल्ड, सो फर्स्ट टाइम आई विजिटेड पेरिस, राइट. पहली पहली बार जब मैं बाहर गया था इट वाज पेरिस. सो व्हेन आई रिटर्न एवरीवन इन कॉलेज वाज लाइक इसके बाप के पास तो बहुत पैसे है तो छुट्टियां यूरोप में घूम के आए, राइट. सो उस टाइम पे व्हेन वी आर लाइक व्हेन आई वाज हैविंग दिस कन्वर्सेशन विद माय फ्रेंड्स, उनको ये क्लू ही नहीं था कि आई वेंट देयर ऑन स्कॉलरशिप, राइट. क्योंकि उन्हें पता ही नहीं होता कि लाइक देयर विल बी समवन, देयर इज समवन हु विल पे for you to travel to some other place, right? So yes, I think the best way to do this session is like maybe you can ask me some questions, right? And instead of sharing my journey, मैं पहले छोटा था फिर बड़ा हो गया, won't make any sense, right? So let's, if you have any questions, we can move ahead with that.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have collected a few questions from our audience beforehand so that we could ask a question which majority of the people have doubts about. So, starting with our questions, one of the major question regarding starting a startup or having an idea. So, the question is, how would I get a validation for my idea? What should be my steps? What all parameters should my prototype pass to show it to the people in the market? This is one of the most common questions which we have come across, and it सभी के दिमाग में यही चलता है कि आइडिया है, अब करें क्या.
See, first thing when you are getting into a startup, so from my first 3 companies failed. I started my first company when I was in 10th standard, right? So पहली 3 companies failed हो गई. I had zero clue about business back then. बस ऐसा था कि कुछ करते हैं, right? But to be very honest, for every idea, for every company, the journey is going to be different, right? There is no step 1, step 2, step 3 process, right? ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. So maybe let's say you want to start an internet company, maybe you want to enter into supply chain logistics या फिर तुमको clean tech में जाना है. It could be anything, right? So but to generalize it, right, first you should be very clear about the problem you are solving. ठीक है, प्रॉब्लम कुछ भी हो सकता है, बीट एनी इंडस्ट्री, राइट. आपको उस चीज पे क्लियर होना चाहिए. एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज नाउ यू शुड स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर योर प्रोस्पेक्टिव कस्टमर्स, राइट. प्रोस्पेक्टिव कस्टमर्स मतलब जिसको आप सामान बेचोगे या फिर जो आपकी सर्विस यूज करेगा, राइट. आपको उनका क्लियर होना चाहिए कि कौन है, काफी लोग क्या करते हैं, अपना ऑडियंस साइज जो मार्केट साइज होता है वो काफी बड़ा कर लेते हैं. लेट्स से फॉर फेसबुक के लिए हमको क्या लगता है कि सभी तो यूज करेंगे, राइट? बट when Facebook was started, they started this thing as a like for only Harvard students, right? उन्होंने ऐसे नहीं सोचा था कि it's going to be a social media platform, तो सभी लोग यूज करेंगे, right? So have that particular niche in your mind. आपको सब्जी बेचनी है तो सब्जी सब खाते हैं, बट यू कांट जस्ट डायरेक्टली लाइक सेल योर वेजिटेबल्स एट अ पैन इंडिया लेवल, राइट? आप पहले एक लोकेलिटी से स्टार्ट करोगे, एक सिटी से स्टार्ट करोगे. सो बी वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट दैट, राइट? आपको कहाँ से शुरू करना है, वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट योर ऑडियंस. एंड when you are sure about your prospective customers, then you can go and directly talk to them, and that is the best thing you can do, right? So first go and talk to them, get their inputs, then start reworking on the product or the whatever you are building, right? And just get the prototype ready यार. उसके लिए तुम लोगों को हाथ पे hustle मारना पड़ेगा. If you are when I talk to a lot of student entrepreneurs, they say कि यार funding कहाँ से आएगी? I need funding, I have this idea, right? But like to be very honest, अभी ये VC culture, angel investors, your story, you have all these things, and अभी लगता है कि this company is raising money, but back in maybe 2005, 2003, these companies were already raising money, like Amazon, Facebook, सबने पैसा उठाया था, right? But these things, VC, angel investor, ये सब चीजें fancy नहीं थी. अभी सबको पता है, it's more of fancy things, right? So don't look for money, instead like find someone who can help you build that particular product, right? जो भी आपकी नीश
Yes, sir.
है उधर जाके घुस जाओ, उनके साथ रहने लगो, उनके साथ सोने लगो, and then you will start getting feedback from your prospective customer, and that is the only way I think you can like start revamping your product and make it a better product.
Yes, sir. So, then my next question to this is, how important was the role of your college? And does having better incubation facilities in college count?
यार जहाँ पे सब NIT इलाहाबाद के ही है.
So almost.
Okay, so you all come from an engineering background, I guess, right? I think majority of you, right? So even I'm an engineer, right? So we all know कि engineering में लोग करते क्या है. मेरे को भी पता है, तुमको भी पता है. सेमेस्टर एग्जाम से थोड़े दिन पहले यू स्टार्ट स्टडिंग. जो क्लास टॉपर होता है वो 2-3 हफ्ते पहले शुरू करते थे. दैट इज द डिफरेंस, राइट? आप पूरे सेमेस्टर या तो चिल करते हो या कुछ और करते हो, राइट? सबके अपनी अपनी प्रायोरिटीज होती है. सो टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, if you're looking for some maybe help like seed money, जो college incubation कुछ कुछ देते हैं, right? For some college it is 7 lakh, for some college 10 lakhs, right? सबका अपना अपना है. But to be honest, colleges are doing this thing just because they have this pressure from the government, right? And like no one in my college, no one who is handling that a particular incubation center in our college comes from a business background. ठीक है. सो कोई प्रोफेसर कंप्यूटर साइंस का है, कोई प्रोफेसर EC डिपार्टमेंट का है, कोई कहीं और का है. लाइक दे हैव देयर डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ एक्सपर्टीज, बट दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज बिजनेस, राइट? बट if you go to any angel investor or VC, this scenario is going to be like a really really different scenario. वो चीज सेम नहीं रहती. सो raising money from a college is not going to be a big deal. But if you ask me if my college helped me or not, so honestly, like I curse a lot about NSIT, about their attendance issues, but I think the best takeaway.
Everyone in MNIT also does regarding the attendance.
But the best takeaway for me is the network I got, to be honest. And I think like colleges like IIT, then you have NITs, then BITS Pilani also, BITS, right? जितने भी top tier 1 colleges हैं, I think वहाँ पे crowd अच्छा होता है, so you get to leverage that. To be honest, like when I जब मैं first semester था, so I saw some of my seniors going abroad on scholarships. ठीक है, तो मेरे को वहीं से पता चला था यार चीजें, like there is something which you can do on similar lines, right? This is the way you can go and have some international experience, right? But if I go to any, maybe I won't name any college यार, but you understand मैं किस टाइप के कॉलेज की बात कर रहा हूँ. somewhere on the सोनीपत हाईवे या फिर like tier 2-3 colleges, वहाँ पे you don't get that kind of crowd, right? So this is the difference. But I think even my initial team was from NSIT. So as such, if you ask me from the administration side, there was no help, to be honest. But yes, we have this incubation center and all. But वो मेरे लिए it wasn't making any major differences. And the fact for that is because I already started my company before entering into college. So I had that kind of network, and I was more inclined and relied towards my network instead of college incubation center. But for someone who's starting in the college for the first time and have their incubation center working really well, have e-cells. So हाँ यार थोड़ा बहुत push मिल जाता है, थोड़ी बहुत help मिल जाती है.
Okay, sir. Sir, my next question to you is, in the competition of different ideas of projects, how do we convince the investors to invest in my project?
What do you mean by competitions?
So, like we have various competitions. Like in eCell, we have E-Plan competition where various companies come, various startups come, and there's a panel of investors sitting, and you have to convince the panel to invest in that startup. So,
Right.
how
So
how should someone approach
give
this
me,
problem?
give me one answer here. So how long you've been hosting this competition or whatever summit?
So, we have been doing it for past 5 to 6 years.
Right.
Yes.
Nice. So if each year, let's say even if 10 startups come and pitch, right? So it is 50
Yes, sir.
startups, right?
Yes, sir.
How many of them have raised money, seed money or a series A money from that particular panel in your college?
So every year there are one or two startups, the topmost, who get the advantage of being with the investors.
I'm not talking about the prizes, right? But actual seed money किसी ने उठाया हो, maybe $500,000 या फिर ऐसा
No,
कुछ.
sir. There have always been talks, but there has never been one investment right through the investors that have come into the college. Maybe they have had through leveraging some networks, but not direct investments.
You see, I think you already got the answer. In college competitions,
Yeah.
no one is really interested in investing in a project. वो time pass होता है, वो आते हैं, उनको कुछ लोग startup pitch करके चले जाते हैं. But if even if the investor finds some serious idea, वो वहाँ पे ऐसे नहीं होगा कि अपनी checkbook खोलेगा, they will sign it and give it to you, right? Right? It's a really long process. You will have to fight it for months, right? And even if a investor finds the idea interesting or something, then वो बंदा उसको side में ले जाके बात कर लेगा. They'll exchange contacts, right? And then they'll take this conversation ahead. But in most of the cases, it's just a competition, right? And everyone there is fighting for the prize only. First, second, third में से कुछ मिल जाए, right? No one is actually there to invest money, right? But if you're looking for an investor, that is going to be a whole different conversation.
Yes, sir. So in continuation with that, if I have a startup and I'm looking for investors, I have done my research, my market research, I have gained an audience. Now I want people to invest in me. How will I approach that problem? How will I move further?
So there are two ways. Either you go to investor or investor coming to you, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the better one is investors coming to you, right? You get more money with better valuation, right? So I won't give you any exact numbers because I'm not very confident about it. But in case if you know Vijay Shekhar Sharma, the founder of Paytm, right?
Uh-huh.
The first check was somewhere around I think 6-7 lakhs. I'm not very confident about the figures. Don't quote me on that.
Okay.
But his first check was somewhere around 6-7 lakh, right? And the person who invested that money took a big amount of share in the company, a really big
Okay.
company, right? But if you want to invest in a company like Paytm today, I don't know their valuation भी कितना है, but
Mm-hmm.
you will need $1 billion in
Definitely.
right for 1 to 3%, depending on the valuation, right? I don't know their exact valuation, right? Jitna bhi hai, but it's more than $1 billion, I guess, right? So, but now the conversation is like if I'll have to look for investor, I'll definitely try that investors are coming to me. Why I already gave you the reason. But in case if you want to go to the investors, you should already have the product ready, right? You should have
Mm-hmm.
some customers paying to you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Some cash flowing towards you. आपके पास भी कुछ पैसा होना चाहिए,
Mm-hmm.
आना चाहिए customer की तरफ से, so that
So, like I've heard that, in this era of making apps and making websites and creating a business out of it, so in some of the companies which I've seen, they are still building the product. They're still building the product, yet there are investors investing in them.
there is one company, I don't remember the exact name, but this company is claiming that they will have flying cars by 2023, right?
Mm-hmm.
They have raised more than $1 billion
Yes,
without
sir.
any prototype. right? But again, imagine, like, so in case if you know about company called Cred, right?
Uh-huh.
It is a company by Kunal Shah, right? Kunal Shah,
Uh-huh.
he co-founded FreeCharge, which was acquired by Snapdeal, I guess. Yes, Snapdeal. So now this company, FreeCharge, jo hai, so this was started by someone, like, I mean, the credit was started by someone who already built a company like worth, I think, 17, $18 million, right? So this person has the credibility, right?
Okay.
Now, if this person
Yes.
wants to start a company, पहले से investor line में खड़े हैं, right?
Yes.
I'll give you another example. So Flipkart. So there is
Uh-huh.
I called Sachin and Benny Bansal, right? Sachin
Mm-hmm.
Benny Bansal, right? So one got into Flipkart and now one is planning to start another company, right? He already
Uh-huh.
started a company and it's now if he wants to start something else, then there is already a line of investors, right?
Yes.
केस हो गया उन लोगों के लिए जिनके पास already like they have proven something, right? Now the second case is who's a first time,
Yes, sir.
like a first time. To be honest, I have never seen, though I have seen, but very rare case that a college student raising a big check like without having a prototype in their hand, to be honest, right? And
Okay.
when you have all these things in your hand, जब आपके पास पता होता है आपका customer, when you are very clear about your thoughts, right? Pre-COVID scene, I was talking to a company, I won't name it, but this company based in Gurgaon, Delhi, right? So they raised $10 million, right? ठीक है?
Okay.
uh, I think he was somewhere at 27, 28, and $10 million उन्होंने उठा लिया. It was a travel company. Right?
Okay.
Post-COVID scenes,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Travelism.
Right?
It subsided.
Travel is dead. Now what they are doing is to like just now they are more into content creation company, do content
Uh-huh.
around travel, right? So this company raised money without having a product, and this is because this guy comes from a like a very influential family, right? And he was with a company called Cash Karo in their founding days. In case if
Hmm.
you it's a nice company, right? So उनकी founding team में था. So again he had the credit. इस बंदे ने company पहले बनाई है, right? You have done that.
Uh-huh.
Like जो groundwork होता है, you have done that already, right? So they raised money, but we all know what happened after COVID, right? So the best thing, like I don't recommend looking. I don't even recommend looking for investors when you don't have the product or if you start looking for investors just with an idea. I mean, it's a full-time activity, right? If you are chasing investor, आपका पूरा दिन चला जाता है, पूरा दिन एक दिन निकलते हुए ना 6 महीने निकल जाते हैं. And if you start devoting these 6 months to the product, आप product पे काम करने लगोगे उन 6 महीनों में, you will have some money flowing towards you, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes. So following this question, I would like to ask, when do you know that you have to focus more on growth rather than building up and improving the product?
What do you mean? I couldn't get it. Growth.
Uh, so the growth of the company to increase the scale and reach of the company rather than making the product even better than now. So when you have to focus on the scaling of the company and at what point?
See, both are parallel things. Like you try to work on the product on daily basis,
Okay.
right? And when it comes to growth, it can be in different verticals. Whether you want to expand your company, whether you are planning to do something with the product, right? Whether you are planning to maybe growth in terms of expanding your team, maybe adding another vertical, maybe like starting a YouTube channel or something, right? So yeah, that's a very subjective thing. I think if you could be like a little specific about what you are asking, that would be a better way to do it.
So this was the main question. So I'll ask our next question.
So see, I'll just tell you my point of view here.
Yes,
So
sir.
growth और like जो मेरे को सवाल समझ आया it is कि आपको कब ऐसा लगा कि ग्रोथ पे ध्यान ज्यादा देना चाहिए या फिर
हाँ सर, जैसे कि अब मेरे पास प्रोडक्ट रेडी हो गया है, इट्स कंप्लीट एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर इट टू इंक्रीज द स्केल, बट देन यू थिंक दैट इट्स नॉट रेडी इनफ एंड there's a dilemma going on. What to do? Should I focus on the growth? Should I make a better product? If I get a better product, then growth will automatically be fast.
See, on the first day, on the 10th day, on the maybe 1000th day, you have the growth plans with you, right? Every time a company wants to grow, आपके पास एक user है, आप चाहोगे 10 हो, आपके पास 10 है, आप चाहोगे 100, right? Even at this stage, when a million people are using Zomato, they want to grow, right?
Yes.
So, subjective thing, right? And Now you can't leave a product when you are growing, right? So both things
Yes.
go hand in hand. But again, I mean, it's a perspective where parallel भी बोल सकते हो, same भी बोल सकते हो, right? But I mean, on product you will be working on daily basis. On growth, again you'll be working on daily basis, yeah, because obviously you want to take that graph exponentially, right?
So both the graphs should exponentially increase together. So that is the way a company.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Okay. So our next question from the audience is that we see post COVID that LinkedIn has become an essential component for most of the people, but amongst the audience, amongst the college, they don't know how to use it efficiently. So we would like you to chart out how an engineering student should use LinkedIn in his 4 years.
यार मेरे पास ऐसे 1 2 3 4 years का प्लान तो है नहीं, but you when you are like this for valid for any social media platform, right? So you should be clear about your objective कि आपको करना क्या है, whether you are trying to build your own brand, whether maybe you are trying to find a job, or maybe you want to do something else, right? Maybe if you want to start a business or something through LinkedIn, right? So काफी लोग like freelancing करते हैं, right? So you should be
Yes,
very
sir.
clear about that objective, and on the basis of that you'll be moving forward. Like let's say you want to find a decent job, आपको नौकरी
Mhm.
that is the reason you are using LinkedIn.
Mhm.
Right? So now what you can do here is you can maybe get connected now before sending connection request, make sure you are sure कि आपको कौन कौन सी companies चाहिए and which positions are you targeting. Maybe like let's say I want to go to SD, right? Software
Mhm.
development कि मेरे को
Yes,
नौकरी,
sir.
right? And let's say the companies I'm targeting is कोई भी कंपनी पकड़ ले यार, let's say Google, Facebook, Microsoft, ठीक है, बड़ी
Uh-huh.
कंपनी उठा लेते हैं. Now what you can do here is, now when you are clear about all these things, what you can do is the next step should be go to the search on LinkedIn, right? Search is a very powerful tool on LinkedIn. You have many filters. Add your college as a filter. I'm looking for people who are working with these companies from this college, right? Now you will see your alumni is working over there, right? Send them request. Hey, this is XYZ, right? And I'm from this batch, right? Because this person is like he'll be able to relate with you, right? Because you come from the same background, right? Same college. So there is something mutual, right? But if you go to someone who's very random and ask for a referral, there are chances that this person might not give you, but higher
Mhm.
that you will get it from your one of the alumni, right? So that's the one thing you can do, right? But let's say if you are maybe looking for a personal brand, right? So you should be sure about who is your audience, whether you are trying to do it among students, maybe CXOs, maybe marketers, right? So when you are clear about this thing, you start creating content around it. You start adding people who are into that particular field, right? And maybe for someone who's into freelancing, जिसको freelancing करनी है, then maybe you can start offering your services. Now you have this featured option also on LinkedIn, right? You can have this, you can add people to write recommendations, right? ये सब चीजें कर सकते हो यार. Again, like for everyone, LinkedIn is going to be a different key, right?
Yes, sir.
So first clarify your objective, but if you're looking to like we can have another session on LinkedIn. Like say, right? We can definitely have that. But you should like if you have anything very particular about LinkedIn, you can ask me. But again, the basics is have that cover page, have that headline, right? बहुत basic है. Summary. I see some of the people like writing summary in 2 3 lines. उसमें job का वो नहीं होता क्या बोलते हैं उसको CV में ऊपर objective.
Career objective.
Yes, objective जो होता है वही उठा के डाल देते हैं. I'm very hardworking. I'm looking for an organ. Won't make any sense, dude. Right? So make it very personalized. Storytelling is an important skill you should have, right? And then even in the work section, जो भी intern मारा है, कुछ भी project कर रहा है, write some numbers. Like I have seen people adding experience. Like you work with Amazon for a 2 month summer internship, right? Nice, nice. But what is the impact you have created? What is the work you have done?
Hmm.
There, right? Add some numbers because number adds a lot of impact, right? So
Yes, sir.
ask people to endorse you. Ask people to give you recommendations. आपने Amazon में किसी के साथ काम करा, maybe your manager or someone जो भी था, you can ask them to give you a recommendation, right? So have your profile maintained over there, right? And be little active. I'm not saying you should be creating a content on daily basis, but at least once in a month, once in a week, थोड़ा you should be active on LinkedIn, right?
Yes, sir. Uh, My next question to you will be, how much has networking helped you in making your abroad conferences and delegations happen?
Uh, I think 85%.
Okay, so most of us here are very keen to know that how did you make it happen?
See, it's a little long story. So, first time I went to college, first day, I mean, right? And I saw some of my seniors going abroad for internship. कोई कहीं जा रहा है, कोई कहीं कर रहा है. सुनने में आता है, अरे ये बंदा तो इधर गया था, ये बंदा तो इधर गया था, इसने रिसर्च इंटर्न मारा यूसीएलए में, राइट? ऑल दीज टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज. सो लाइक आई एम श्योर सबने अपने कॉलेज में भी सुना होगा, राइट?
Yes, sir.
इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज,
Yes, sir.
राइट. सो सेम थिंग हैपेंड विद दिम. एंड मैंने सोचा मेरे को भी बाहर जाना है, कैसे जाए? सो आई गॉट इन टच विद ऑल दीज पीपल. मैंने उनको फेसबुक पे रिक्वेस्ट भेजी, राइट? इट वाज 2016. मैंने इन सबको फेसबुक पे रिक्वेस्ट भेजी. काफी लोगों ने रिवर्ट करा, काफी लोगों ने सिंग ज्वाइन कर दिया, राइट? And then
Okay.
through societies, like I was in multiple societies. Then I got in touch with all these people, right? जो जो जिस जिस सोसाइटी में था मैं भी वहाँ पहुंच गया, because in society you have that personal connection with the seniors.
Yes, sir.
तो मिलना शुरू कर देते हो, right? But
Yes,
you
sir.
have that directly, आप किसी को जाके नहीं बोल सकते और सर क्या हाल चाल. Right? You have that sort of mutual connection, right? So this is how it started, right? वहाँ से मेरे को जितना information ज्ञान मिलता था मैं ले लेता था. काफी लोग नहीं भी देते थे. So if someone said that MIT का like there was this person, again चलो I won't name him, but there was this person in my college. He was in 4th year. पता चला कि यार इसका MIT में कुछ हुआ. So I started asking क्या हुआ था. Then this person just gave me the program name, MIT boot camp. उसने came home, searched on Google, पता चल गया मेरे को क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता, right? This is how it started, right? But initially what happened for with me was I was applying randomly, right? I got some acceptance, but again I couldn't score any scholarships, right? हर जगह मेरे को पैसा देके जाना था.
Yes,
First
sir.
I have to pay their fee and then the travel expenses there, everything. And then coming from a middle class background, it is a really big deal, to be honest,
Yes, sir.
right? 40-50-60,000 रुपए की आपकी टिकट होती है, and then you will be paying their fee and all these drama and everything, right? So then I start searching for scholarships. मेरे को दिखा कि कोई बंदा स्कॉलरशिप पे जा रहा है. मैंने उसको पकड़ा, भाई कैसे जा रहा है? So now this person explained me, थोड़ा बहुत वहाँ से ज्ञान मिला, थोड़ा बहुत कहीं और से मिला, ऐसे लोगों को पकड़ पकड़ के. Then I joined some Facebook groups, random Facebook groups. तो ऐसे मेरे को लोगों को पकड़ लेता था कि तू मेरे को ये बता दे, तू मेरे को बता दे, तू मेरे को बता दे. अब उन तीनों की बातों को मैं जोड़ देता था, right? So ज्ञान मिला, and then Google accepts best, right? Google and YouTube, right? So वहाँ से काफी ज्ञान मिलता है. So this is how it started. And then when for the first time I went to this college called university called HEC Paris. It's a MBA. It's a business college in case if you know. So वहाँ पे I went and everyone was from like top college. कोई UCLA से, कोई NYU से है, कोई Harvard से, कोई Stanford से. And when someone asked me where are you from, like which college are you from, and मैं उनको बोलता था नेताजी सुभाष इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, वो बंदा ऑफ हो जाता था. बिकॉज क्योंकि जब सामने वाला बंदा अपने कॉलेज का नाम, वो नाम ही नहीं बताता, वो शॉर्ट फॉर्म बताते थे. आई एम फ्रॉम एनवायू, राइट? न्यूयॉर्क यूनिवर्सिटी, वी ऑल अंडरस्टैंड दैट, राइट? बट अगर मैं नेताजी सुभाष बस राइट आउट जाते थे, सो आई स्टार्ट टेलिंग देम यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिल्ली, राइट? सो किसी को नहीं. देन लाइक आई गॉट इन टच विद ऑल दीस पीपल. देन मेरे को पता चला कि ये लोग लाइक दिस नॉट देयर फर्स्ट, राइट? ये लोग पहले भी कहीं कहीं घूम के आए हैं. सो I mean, like this is how it started, and this is how it is going right now. Most of my information comes from my network. Right? किसी ने story डाल दिया, किसी ने personal पे भेज दिया. So I mean, there is no direct source for it. It is just kept increasing after that.
So our main motive is to remain active on Google and YouTube and LinkedIn and Facebook and get in touch with anybody you can.
See यार, life में मेरा एक simple सा wonder है. अगर मेरे को कोई कुछ बोलते हैं मैं सुन लेता हूँ, and वो मेरे को रखनी है नहीं रखनी, that is up to me, right? So do that. Go and talk to a lot of people, as many as you can. Like I have this weird habit, I can talk to anyone. Be it flight, be it in metro, be it anywhere, right? I can talk to anyone, right? Because like ultimately this particular person is stranger to me, right?
Yes.
मेरे को नहीं जानता. And even if he thinks कि यार ये तो पता नहीं कौन पागल आदमी था, let it be. वो 2 दिन बाद भूल जाएगा. Have you like in case if you have traveled in metro or any public transport, have you seen that person sleeping with their open mouth?
Right? Every time.
सीट के लिए लड़ रहा होता है, बट डू यू रिमेंबर देयर नेम, डू यू रिमेंबर देयर फेसेस? नो, ऑब्वियसली यू डोंट. ज्यादा से ज्यादा आपने क्या करा होगा, आप घर गए होंगे, आपने उसका मजाक उड़ाया होगा, यार एक बंदा सीट के लिए लड़ रहा था, जो भी, राइट, एंड यू फॉरगेट इट, राइट. सो अल्टीमेटली अगर किसी को लगा भी होगा कि यार ये कौन बंदा चेप हो गया था मेरे मेट्रो में, अभी तक वो भूल गया होगा, राइट. सो सिंपल, अगेन वी आर स्ट्रेंजर्स, अगर मैं उसको मिलूंगा तो यू वोंट बी एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज मी, राइट. So that's the like the basic funda I follow when I talk to someone.
Okay, sir.
And also one more thing, people hesitate when it comes to talking to someone. यार वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा, right?
Yes, sir. Many in our college, there are many students like that.
A lot of us do that. So yes, there's the basics, simple funda I follow यार. सोचेगा.
So that is one of the greatest learnings. सोचेगा तो सोचेगा, अपना काम निकल जाएगा.
Simple.
Sir, my next question to you is, how was your journey to HPAR and how does one get to attend it?
Yeah, it's simple. You go to their website, you sign up, you submit a form, right? It's a very simple process. You have to write some maybe 1 or 2 essays, I guess. Then you have this interview. Then you have to apply for scholarships if you want to. It's a very simple, like, I mean, I can't, like, what are you expecting an answer? मतलब ऐसा special कुछ था नहीं यार उसमें, to be honest. It's just like a very simple application.
Very simple application. Okay, sir. Sir, the next question is, how has attending so many conferences and visiting so many countries added to your perspective? And are there segments in the Indian industry which you think are lagging behind compared to the countries that you have visited?
I think a lot of industries.
Mm-hmm.
Construction is one of them.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, construction is one of them. I think somewhere fashion is also there. Right?
But that might not change because the Indian fashion is completely different, I guess.
But at some point we are moving to the Western culture. Right?
Yes, sir.
And also education industry. Right. So I've never been to a campus, so I don't know how people work there. Right. But what I have seen in any average engineering college is when you have this break, people are, like students are either talking about Friends, Money Heist, or all these like Netflix stuff, right? Or maybe they are playing PUBG. Up to ban ho gaya. But like when I was at MIT, Harvard, like वहाँ पे people were like they were working and they were working passionately. ऐसा नहीं था like हमें कोई assignment देते हैं हमें दर्द होता है करने में, right? But वहाँ पे people were working with a passion, right? I saw that in their eyes, right? वो break में भी काम कर रहे हैं and they were like really happy about it. So this is like one of the major gap which I felt, right? यहाँ पे we don't have that culture, right? So even like I'm sure if there is any teacher who is very lenient with the class entrances, like आप आधे घंटे बाद भी आ जाओगे तो अटेंडेंस दे देगा. I'm sure वहाँ पे 20 मिनट बाद ही लोग जाते हैं. वहाँ पे 10 बच्चे होते होंगे जो पहले से बैठे होते होंगे, बाकी majority of the class will go after 20-15 minutes, right? But the culture is very different there, and this is not from the student side only, from the administration and from the faculty side also. The way they teach and the way our teachers teach is very
The system is built like that.
Sorry?
The system is built like that.
Right. So I think like we can't just blame it on a one side, right? It is from the both the sides, student side and the faculty sides or the administration sides, right? दोनों साइडों से घपले हैं. So yes, that is the way. And if you ask about my perspective, I got to learn and know a lot of things, right? I mean, like there are some things which can't be described as a word, right? So like I was in New York, and I had this bus to catch at I think 5:45 or 6 something, right? And the next day मेरे को Boston जाना था, right? And
Okay.
last bus थी. So I was super hungry. मैं McDonald's गया, I just grabbed this burger and भाग के like 11th Avenue पे बस खड़ी थी. Like, right, you don't have this exact number बस वगैरह को ऐप पे नहीं देते थे. So मैं भाग के I was literally running on the streets of New York. मैं भाग के पहुंचा and then I saw वहाँ पे 2-3 बसें, एक इधर थी एक इधर दूसरे रोड पे थी. So I was totally confused. दोनों 11th Avenue थी. मैंने कहा कहाँ पे जाना है? Then मैं एक बस की तरफ भागना शुरू करा, वो पूरी तरफ आ रही थी, वो ऑलरेडी चल पड़ी थी, मैं उसको हाथ दे रहा हूँ ऐसे
Like we do in India.
लाइक मैं एग्जैक्ट
हाँ, रुक जा.
person उसने मेरे को बोला it won't stop here and I legit saw my bus going in front of my eyes, right? तो मेरी शक्ल बिगड़ गई थी because ऑलरेडी सनसेट हो चुका था एंड मेरे को पता लाइक मैं एयरबीएनबी वगैरह जो भी था खाली कर चुका था, राइट? सो नाउ मैंने देखा कि कोई बस अवेलेबल है एंड इट वाज लाइक अ लास्ट बस, 6:30 बजे कुछ 7 बजे बस थी एंड उसने मेरे को काफी लेट पहुंचाया बॉस्टन, right? And even after reaching Boston, I was little scared to be honest, क्योंकि जो मेरी एयरबीएनबी था, जो बीएनबी था एंड जहाँ पे बस स्टॉप था वो काफी दूर था, right? So imagine this is your first day in Boston, you are half lost, आपको कुछ नहीं पता, right? And उससे पहले even I had some bad experiences in Amsterdam when there was this person running behind me selling me drugs, right?
Okay.
Yes, Amsterdam is legal, but now these experiences are something which can't be described as a skill or a word, right?
In
So
a single sentence,
yes,
even.
बहुत सारे experiences थे. I remember I spent €100 on a cab because I had to attend a meeting in Europe and वो काफी दूर,
Okay.
France, in France actually, वो काफी दूर थी जहाँ पे मैं रहता था, and like I legit tried my best to get this meeting and this was the like I was at a point where I can't afford to lose this meeting, right? तो मैंने 8,000
Yes.
टैक्सी में डाले था and then I got to know कि वो टैक्सी वाला मेरा बना के चला गया था, right?
Okay.
Uber was not working there, कुछ इशू था मेरे क्रेडिट कार्ड के साथ and then I downloaded some random app and इस बंदे को इंग्लिश भी नहीं आती थी, so even in China like you won't find people speaking English regularly, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
काफी सारे experiences are gave me a
सर चाइना से रिलेटेड मेरे पास एक सवाल था कि आप इतनी बार चाइना जा चुके हैं और यस सर.
चाइना एक ही बार गया.
हाँ सर, तो मतलब आप मतलब हम देखते हैं वहां पे कि वहां पे हर हफ्ते 5 बिलियनर्स आते हैं, बट अपने इंडिया में हर एक महीने 3 बिलियनर्स है. तो चाइनीज पीपल में ऐसा क्या डिफरेंस ऑफ वर्किंग स्टाइल है जो कि इंडियंस को अडॉप्ट करना चाहिए?
यार I think a person who spent like a month or 2 months in China is not the best person to answer this, right? मैं वहाँ पे 2 महीने के लिए था I think, right? And I was in my surrounding only. मेरे को अपने घर से कॉलेज तक जाना होता था, शेंजन यूनिवर्सिटी, राइट? वहाँ पे जितने चाइनीज मिलते थे मैं उन्हीं को जानता था, एंड लाइक फ्यू ऑफ माय नेबर्स जो लोग मेरे को मिल गए थे रैंडम, राइट? सो आई थिंक at this stage I'm not the best person to answer it, and obviously I don't have these numbers also जो आपने 5 और 3 वाला फिगर दिया मेरे को,
ओके सर.
right? So I'm not in position to answer this.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, my next question is, since you have a YouTube channel of yours and you are a series, Nonsense Paradise, so the question that all the audience are asking is, what should be the strategy for blogging for an absolute beginner, and how can we grow as a blogger, and how to make an impressive blogging channel?
Blogging and YouTube both are different things and you're mixing it up.
So I mean, blogging as in using LinkedIn and Instagram, and blogging using YouTube. So how we should one person?
I'd love to answer this when I cross like 100,000 subscribers. या फिर ऐसा कुछ. I think I have 2-3,000 subscribers, right? And not a big deal to be honest, right? And I'm not a YouTuber, right? Like Ranveer Alabadi is a YouTuber. उनका रोज का काम है. They spend hours for building their YouTube channel, right? And I think in the last 2 weeks I haven't spent a single hour on my YouTube channel, to be honest, right? Because YouTube, for me, YouTube is just kind of I won't say hobby, but very 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 side hustle. एक side hustle होती है, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा side की hustle है.
Okay, okay.
Right? So I know a little bit of basics with YouTube. थोड़े बहुत tools.
Yes, sir.
I use this Chrome extension called, I'll just quickly check. vidIQ. Yes, it's called vidIQ. Right?
Okay.
And this Chrome extension helps you with relevant keywords, competitor कौन से keywords, tags,
Okay.
right? You get better recommendations. So this is something I use. And धीरे धीरे I started learning also कि YouTube पे आपको thumbnail किस हिसाब से बनाना है. It should be a little more personalized,
Okay, sir.
So I'm still a beginner in this game. But when it comes to blogging,
Yes, sir.
so like when I started blogging, I started I think 7 years back. I started my first blog
Okay.
7 years back, right? So उस time पे, if you start comparing what blogging today is and उस time पे, there's a massive difference, right?
Yes, sir.
Right now, take any niche. Like I see a lot of people still starting tech blogs, but you should
Uh-huh.
do that if you're very, very, very sure about your tech skills, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
You are going to if you are going to deliver an average content, right? Obviously you will get some readers, but you won't be able to make it big, right? So, but if you go to any specific line, like right now, a lot of people are also entering into organic, vegetables, fitness, right? So, fitness,
Yes, sir.
like 2 3 years back, fitness was a new industry in blogging.
Mm.
Other लोग नहीं थे, right? But again, it is saturating. So you should be very clear about the industry you are getting into, right? वो आपको चीज़ clear होनी चाहिए, and you should have that kind of knowledge, right? That kind of background, right?
Yes, sir.
To be honest, I can't start an engineering blog, or like I come from IC, instrumentation and control. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But if I start something on this one, I'm sure you will find some better stuff on YouTube or on other blogs, right? Because I don't belong there, right?
Yes, sir.
But I can definitely write about scholarships. I can definitely write about growth hacks, right? I can definitely write about LinkedIn. Right? So you should be very sure about your expertise. आप किस पे लिख सकते हो, right? And then there are a lot of technical things यार. देखिए SEO हो गया, ये सब हो गया जो आपने चीजें सुनी होगी शायद. SEO हो गया, right? Referral marketing हो गया. Then these things are kind of secondary things, to be honest, because I still believe content is the king. Although you need all these technical skills, but learning these technical skills is not a major deal. It's not a big deal, right? You just go to YouTube, spend a day, आपको खुद चीजें समझ आने लगेंगी, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So if you have any plans to start a blog, I'll recommend one thing: be very specific about your niche, your audience, right? First, start creating content around it on any micro blogging platform like LinkedIn, Quora, or something, right? So that you will have some sort of audience. Like I think recently I crossed 50,000 followers on LinkedIn. So now if I create a blog and ask people to read my articles there, then at least 50,000 यार, अगर मेरे को normally अगर लोग 10,000 लोग भी एक एवरेज पोस्ट देख रहे हैं मेरा, so I'm sure कि उसमें 1,000 लोग तो वहाँ पे आ ही जाएंगे. But if I start from zero, right? But if I start from zero and I have to pull like 1,000 people to my blog, then this is going to be a little challenging for me, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what you can do is you can start from micro blogging platforms like Medium, LinkedIn, Quora, right? You can do Instagram and all these other stuff, right? But obviously Instagram is not a blogging platform, but yes, you
Mhm.
can definitely do that. But ये एक चीज हो गई, राइट? ऐसा भी कर सकते हो, बट फॉर एवरी ब्लॉग देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ डिफरेंट स्ट्रैटेजी, राइट? देयर इज समथिंग व्हिच यू कांट जनरलाइज. बट ये चीजें मैंने जो भी बताई थी, चार चीजें, देयर इज समथिंग व्हिच कम्स फ्रॉम माय पर्सपेक्टिव कि दिस, लाइक ये करना वुड बी अ बेटर ऑप्शन.
Yes, sir.
There's something which you can do. Redirection, like redirecting from LinkedIn and Quora is the best thing you can do, and it is the one of the easiest thing to do. आप Instagram से redirect नहीं कर सकते. It's more of a psychological game. To be honest, like if you follow any YouTuber, I'll explain a bit here. If you know any YouTuber, if you follow them, you can go to their YouTube channel. You can go to their Instagram from YouTube channel. If you follow someone on LinkedIn, you can go to their Instagram
Yes,
from,
sir. Yes, sir.
right? But you won't go to their LinkedIn from Instagram.
Yes, sir.
Influencer on Instagram, you won't go to
Uh,
their any other channel. Yeah? So this is a basic psychological game. Snapchat पे आपको कुछ नहीं मिलता, right? So you have to just figure out which platform is working for you.
so according to you, which platform is the best?
It depends on the audience.
So your audience, for your audience,
I'm not into
what
blogging.
have you figured it out?
I'm not into blogging anymore.
Okay, sir. Sir, my last question to you today is, uh, we approached you to gain mentorship, to gain your experience, and I'm sure you must yourself must have a mentor. So, how has he influenced you?
यार, I don't have any mentor, to be honest.
Okay, sir.
वाला mentor, ठीक है, as such कोई एक बंदा नहीं है I look up to, right? I think I can't give you any single name if it comes to mentor. I think there are a lot of people who help me through this journey. To be honest, like मैंने जो college वाला story बताया था, like I approached my seniors. So
Yes, sir.
at that point of time, they were my mentors, right? They helped me with the cover letters. They helped me with preparing my resume, preparing for interviews, right? I was completely relied on them. But today, the scenario is different. I'm more into business, right? And,
Yes, sir.
and my mentors, again, they're not mentors, but they are like a kind of brotherly feeling we have in between, right?
Yes, sir.
So I just asked for some random gyan. उनको call मतलब they are not mentors. We just have that sort of relationship, right? And these are not the people I know from the beginning or from school. Like in case again, chalo, I won't name anyone, but there is this guy who is very influential on LinkedIn. Right?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
He comes from a taxation background, right?
Okay.
We met in an event in Delhi, right?
Okay.
He's not from Delhi. We met in an event, right? And we just like randomly exchanged numbers, right? But today I can call him at 2 a.m. यार taxation में ये issue आ रहा है, right? So can you help me out, right? So focus on
Yes, sir.
relationships, right? But
Yes,
you
sir.
know, I have this in my contact. I have more than 3,000 numbers saved, right? I have number of vice president of Vivo, but I can directly call him.
No.
बता दो, right? So there are very limited people with who I can do this कि रात में 2 बजे भी कॉल करके मैसेज करके कह रहा हूँ कि can you help me with this, right? So have that kind of relationship. Don't start looking for mentors, right? Mentor नहीं मिलता है यार कोई ऐसा, right? And there is no person, no single person which can like guide you through every journey, right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
If I have some taxation issue, I'll refer that person. If I have some issues with hiring, I'll probably refer someone else, right? If I have some maybe financial issues, मैं किसी और को refer करूँगा, right? So like have that like when you are approaching someone, have that kind of intention. Where I'm here for the longer game, right? I'm here to build a relationship for a longer period of time, right?
Yes, sir.
Exchange contacts, don't just exchange numbers. Right? वो एक पर्सनल वाली फीलिंग आनी चाहिए कि हाँ यार चलो, और कभी कभी वैसे भी हालचाल पूछ लेना चाहिए लोगों का. Don't just
Yes, sir.
tell them, यार ये दिक्कत आ गई है, ये हो गया है. Right? Focus on building relationships. Just start.
Yes, sir. This was my last question, and I would like to give the audience the chance to ask their own questions now, if anyone has any.
Sure, sure. I think some people are dropping some comments also.
Yes, sir.
Vamika, Vamika or Vamika? It's Vamika. Varnika.
Yes, sir, Varnika.
So she says that is the main thing that we aren't aware about all that. Who provides the scholarship? How to apply for these scholarships? I mean, yeah, there is no single source. Start building your network. Start getting in touch with people who have done this, right? But there is one thing I'm doing voluntarily. Though I'm not very active on it, but I run a Telegram channel where I share all these opportunities. जो मेरे को मिलता है मैं as it is
Yes, sir.
right? And in case if you want to join that, you can definitely do that. Right? Maybe organizers or host will share the link with you. मैं इनको दे दूंगा अभी. And yes, I mean, there is no single source. You keep applying. I applied more than 50. I applied in more than 50 organizations. किसी में नहीं हुआ, hardly 2-3 में हुआ, उन्होंने पैसे मांग लिए, right?
Okay.
But now when you choose
Share the link of it, the Telegram channel you have.
sorry,
So can you please share the link of the Telegram channel that you have?
I can if
I think I also have the channel's link.
it's there.
I'll,
Comment on my LinkedIn post. Shouldn't be a
if
problem.
anyone wants it, can contact me as well after the session. I'll give the link.
Yes. Done. Got it. I'll just quickly share it here also.
Okay, thank you so much.
Right. If someone have any questions, यार बता दो फटाफट. तुम लोग भी फ्री हो जाओ, मैं भी हो जाता हूँ.
किसी को और कोई क्वेश्चंस पूछने हो तो काइंडली आस्क नाउ.
किसी का
सर
भी
ग्रोथ हैकिंग जो है वो आपने स्टार्ट कब कैसे करी थी, और मतलब वो मतलब इंस्पिरेशन क्या था? जैसे कि हम लोग क्या है कि कोई भी पॉडकास्ट हो गया उसको सुनते हैं कि हाँ भाई कोई रामबाण मिल जाए या कुछ ऐसा मिल जाए जो ये लगा सकते हैं अब स्टार्टअप में। तो आपसे रामबाण तो नहीं पूछेंगे, लेकिन हाउ डिड यू गेट स्टार्टेड एंड इफ देयर आर सम पॉइंटर्स दैट यू कुड गिव अस।
यार growth hacking is not a, I want to call it growth hacking as a skill, to be honest, right? It is just a different version of a glamorized version of marketing, right? Growth hacking एक ऐसी चीज है. So like my definition of growth hacking is like growing at a faster pace as compared to others. Okay, this is how I define growth hacking. Like you hacked the growth, right? Because in my opinion, everyone is growing,
Right.
but everyone have their own pace and speed, right? So now this growth hacking thing, it now like could you please be little specific about the industry or the sector you are talking about? Like if you want to growth hack on any social media platform or in life as a student कि आपको scholarship पे जाना है तो वो चीज fast कैसे हो, तो मैं थोड़ा सा particular बताऊँ, मैं उसके हिसाब से I'll explain.
एडटेक स्टार्टअप के बारे में बताइए, स्टार्टअप और एडटेक इन पर्टिकुलर।
So growth hacking. So see, अब startup की बात करते हैं यार. Startup में क्या है ना, now when you are aiming to hack the growth, first you should be having the growth, right? आपके पास कुछ ना कुछ तो growth होनी चाहिए. Now now the factors which can affect the growth is your product at initial stage. अगर आपका product ही ऐसा एकदम मस्त होगा फाड़ू टाइप्स, तो लोग अपने आप ही आ जाएंगे. If I start using any platform, let's say अगर Google Meet मेरे को Zoom से ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है, so then there is अगर मेरी next meeting है, then I'll recommend कि यार Google Meet कर लेते हैं, Zoom छोड़ो, right? But if I find this platform very what do you call, like अगर बेकार सा है, so I will definitely not recommend it, right? So if you start doing it, if you are very confident about your product, then the next stage comes is आपकी growth हो रही है. Now how do you hack it? First, like start analyzing की, जैसे एक example देता हूँ मैं. So I'm into FMCG now, not completely, but trying to get into FMCG. So what we did is Saturday, Sunday को, in case if someone is from Delhi, Greater Kailash में, like in the South Delhi, a lot of people go on shopping on Saturday, Sunday, right? Their grocery shopping and everything, right? So what we did here is Friday को हमने अपने products store में डलवा दिए, right? By Friday evening we have our products in every store in South Delhi, right? And by Friday night
Right.
started targeting people in that particular area, right? So the people who are of our age will start seeing ads on Instagram, Facebook, right? उनको वहां से आइडेंटिफाई करेगा, and in the next morning on Saturday and Sunday you get this pamphlet in your newspaper at your home, right? So
Right.
आपने फ्राइडे नाइट को शाम में देख लिया that this is company, right? इसका कुछ कुछ प्रोडक्ट आता है रैंडमली, वो सबकॉन्शियसली आपके दिमाग में है, राइट? नेक्स्ट डे आपने न्यूज़पेपर में देख लिया, now when you go to store you are seeing the same product, right? And I can give
You
you,
want to buy it.
and now I can give you the assurance.
चैनलिंग हो रहा है, फनलिंग हो रहा है भाई।
I mean, this is something which you can't learn on YouTube, or this is something which you can't read in a book, right? So there's something which
Right.
worked in FMCG for me, right? But if I want to talk about a company like Shopnani, obviously this can't be the scenario, right? So industry की बात है यार. अब like there's a company, एक junior company, उन्होंने वोल्फ गुप्ता बना दिया था, अब उस पे कैपिटलाइज कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो
Right.
एडटेक के स्पेस में आप वो भी कर सकते हो अगर आपको वो करना है, राइट? आप एक 7 साल का बच्चा बता दो ही इज अ कोडर, ही गॉट इनटू गूगल, राइट? सो it is going to be different for every industry, it is going to be different for every company, right? So आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा आपके लिए कौन सी मार्केट है, क्या काम कर रहा है यार. लाइक टू बी ऑनेस्ट, व्हाट आई डू व्हेन इट कम्स टू मार्केटिंग और एडवर्टाइजिंग, मैं 10 चीजें एक साथ लेके चलता हूँ, राइट? एंड आई कीप कटिंग ऑन देम. मैं देखता हूँ 10 में से मेरे लिए 8 चीजें काम कर रही है. नाउ आई, जो मैं 10 चीजों पे टाइम लगा रहा था, अगर 10 चीज करने में मेरे को 1 घंटा लगता है, तो मैं अब 8 चीजों पे 1 घंटा लगाऊंगा, राइट? एफिशिएंसी थोड़ी बढ़ गई कि 8 चीजों को मैं ध्यान से देख पाऊंगा, राइट? नाउ आई स्टार्ट कटिंग अगेन नेक्स्ट मंथ. अब मेरे पास 6 चीजें बची हैं कि 6 चीजें बेटर चल रही थी, उन जो सबसे पुअर परफॉर्मिंग चीजें थी मैंने उनको डिस्कार्ड कर दिया, राइट? नाउ जो मेरा 1 घंटा था, टाइम अलॉटमेंट स्टिल सेम है, राइट? जो मेरा 1 घंटा था वो 6 चीजों के पास है, एंड लाइक बाय अ मंथ और 2 और मेरे पास 2-3 चीजें ऐसी बचेंगी जिन पे मैं अपना पूरा टाइम दे रहा हूँ. एंड नाउ आई विल स्टार्ट इंक्रीजिंग टाइम आल्सो, क्योंकि ये चीजें मेरे लिए काम कर रही हैं, राइट?
Right.
देयर इज नो सिंगल चैनल यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई, या फिर आपको कोई आके बता देगा कि आपके लिए ये काम करेगा. right? You'll have to keep it
Okay.
basically basic funda of life यार. आपको चीजें ट्राई करनी पड़ेगी. Simple.
नो बेसिकली आप ये बता सकते हैं लाइक कि पॉडकास्ट से बेटर रहेगा या बुक्स वाला अप्रोच बेटर रहेगा कि नो यू जस्ट हैव टू गेट इनटू इट, डू इट, और उसके बाद ही वो जो लर्निंग आती है वही बेस्ट काम करती है.
Yeah, the best learning for you is when you start doing it on your own. आपको पॉडकास्ट से, बुक से, बाकी इधर उधर से आपको ज्ञान वो मिल जाएगा जो दूसरे लोगों ने एक्सपीरियंस करा है, राइट? लाइक मैंने एफएमसीजी वाली चीज शेयर की, सो दिस माइट बी रेलेवेंट और टोटली irrelevant टू यू, राइट? सो इवन आई रीड अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स. ठीक है, अब जैसे 0 to 1 है. 0 to 1 में दे हैव मेंशन, इन केस अगर किसी ने पढ़ी हो तो 0 to 1 में पीटर थियल सेज दैट दे स्टार्ट लाइक इनिशियली जब पेपाल स्टार्ट हुआ था तो यूज नहीं कर रहा था, सो दे स्टार्ट गिविंग $10 व्हेन यू साइन अप, राइट? लाइक जैसे पेटीएम पे कैशबैक मिलता था,
राइट.
सो उन्होंने ये चीज कर and then the people started using it, right? A very basic funda, but this was started back in 1996-7 के आसपास जब भी कंपनी शुरू हुई थी, right? उस टाइम पे this was not a common thing, right? But imagine a company like मेरे को
Right.
0 to 1 कब आई थी? Let's say 2010 में आई थी. But imagine someone who reads this book in 2010 and starts another company in 2011 or 2012. तो उसके लिए चीज बेनिफिशियल है, right? वहाँ पे अगर उसको एक चीज पता चलिए, उसका एक दिमाग का एक दरवाजा खुले तो दूसरा भी खोल देता है. उसको कम एफर्ट्स लगेंगे खोलने में, राइट? हाउ आई सी बुक्स, पॉडकास्ट और एनी ज्ञान वाली चीज यार, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. बाकी एक्सपीरियंस आपको खुद की लर्निंग से मिलता है. एंड द सेकंड बेस्ट थिंग यू कैन डू इज गेट इन टच विद दोस पीपल हु हैव डन दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग, राइट? टू बी ऑनेस्ट मेरा मन यार ऐसे निकल जाता है लोगों से बात करने में, लोगों से मिलने में. In case if someone, by any chance, if someone follows me on Instagram, I just keep putting stories कि मैं अब यहाँ पर हूँ, मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, मैं यहाँ पर हूँ. Random story, right? My daily run is more than 100 kilometers within the Delhi NCR only. NCR भी कम होता है, बस दिल्ली में 100 किलोमीटर दिन का आराम से हो जाता है. ठीक है, यहाँ जाना वहाँ जाना. So because I get to learn a lot, right? There is this person, he started FMCG company, right? He comes from a very rich background, right? He's 40-45, ठीक है, बहुत अमीर है, अंकल ऑडी चलाते हैं, ठीक है. So no, I tell you, so he invested in an FMCG company without having that background, right? But अब वो ऐसे रो रहे हैं कि यार मैंने 6 करोड़ रुपए डाले हैं, कम से कम मतलब मेरे को महीने का 10 लाख भी नहीं मिल रहा, तो मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स तो बिके कुछ, right? So we were having this conversation, was sitting with a Sindhi guy. मेरा उन्हीं के थ्रू, मैं उनको डायरेक्टली नहीं जानता, so I got to know him through the Sindhi guy, right? Now the conversation was happening, इस रेट पे कर लो, ऐसे कर लो, right? That proper conversation, that is a kind of experience for me, to be honest, right? Because no one is from a business background in my family, right? And the kind of relationship building activities you do, like in FMCG, आप स्टोर पे गए, आपने सैंपल रखे, राइट? बिक गए, स्टोर वाले बोलेगा और ले आओ, ये तो अच्छा चल रहा है. ना ही से कि यार दे देना मेरे को उसका जरा, एंड यू से छोड़ो ना, वो कोई बात नहीं, अब नेक्स्ट टाइम से देखते हैं. वो प्रोडक्ट फ्री में, शॉपकीपर भी खुश, आप भी खुश, क्योंकि आपके प्रोडक्ट्स निकल रहे हैं, राइट? अब वो 4-2 हज़ार रुपए के प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने वहाँ पे छोड़ दिए, won't make any major difference in my life when I'm aiming for a bigger game, right? These are the things which I'm learning from different people I met and from my own experiences. So this is like, you want to learn something यार खुद से ही कर सकते हो या फिर दूसरों से कर सकते हो जिन्होंने वो चीज एक्चुअली में अच्छे लेवल पे करी है. पॉडकास्ट सब ठीक है, अपना ज्ञान दे देते हैं यार, मैं भी दे देता हूँ, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. अभी भी मैं अपना ज्ञान दे रहा हूँ, किसी के लिए रिलेवेंट होगा, किसी के लिए नहीं होगा, है ना? वही यार, लोगों की चेप हो जाए, जितना निकाल सकते हो निकाल लो. So this is very, I might sound very informal, but this is the reality, right?
Yes, sir. No, it's really needed sometimes. We need an honest speaker to tell us what really goes on.
Yes, sir.
This is how life is simple.
So one question is in the chat by Neharika, and she has a question. Sir, at this point of time, we are at home and can't join our colleges. Also, can't join our colleges also. So how can we start thinking about any kind of startup? How to find our interest?
Yeah, I don't know if you follow Bloomberg or not, but more than 50 companies raised $1 million during the pandemic, right?
Yes.
There is one company started by a couple in US, I think, and it is valued at $5 million now. A company started during lockdown, right?
Okay.
So अभी घर पे बैठे हैं, अभी कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा नहीं है यार. But a lot of people are going out if you really need to, right? मेरे को बाहर जाने का शौक नहीं है, but I have to go out, right? I can't work from home. मेरी work of nature ऐसा नहीं है, right? But how do you find your interest? यार interest किसी का कुछ भी हो सकता है. It is a very subjective thing. किसी को maybe डांस करना अच्छा लगता हो, right? किसी को गाना बजाना अच्छा लगता. But I tell you, जब मैं 10th में था ना, जब मैं 9th में था शायद, तब मेरे को लगता था यार मेरे को तो अरिजीत सिंह बनना है. तो अरिजीत सिंह के लाइव शोज जो होते थे वो देखता था. वैसे लाइक एम्पलीफायर पे पैर रख के ऐसे गिटार बजा रहा है बंदा, मैं उसको देख रहा हूँ, मैं फील ले रहा हूँ. नेक्स्ट ईयर आई बॉट अ गिटार, मैंने बजाया, खूब बजाया. उसके बाद वो ऐसे ही रखा था, फिर मैंने एक और ले लिया कि यार अब बजाऊंगा, अब अच्छे से बजाता हूँ, थोड़ा रह गया था, ठीक है. फिर बट नाउ लाइक टू बी ऑनेस्ट, लाइक आई एम नॉट इवन वेरी स्लाइटली क्लोज टू दैट थिंग, राइट. उससे पहले आई वांटेड टू बी इन इसरो. So interest is something which keeps changing, right? So instead of finding your interest, I'll suggest कि start looking for something which you don't want to do. आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि आपको करना नहीं है. This is a different sort of perspective I give to people. आपको क्या करना है is relatively tougher than आपको क्या नहीं करना है ढूंढना, right? So when you start doing it, ऐसे नहीं होता कि यार आप कोई किताब खोल के बैठ जाओगे, आप कुरान, बाइबल और कौन सी होती है,
Quran, Gita, Bhagavad Gita.
गीता, अगर आप गीता खोल के बैठ जाओगे तो आपको कुछ मिल जाएगा. इंटरेस्ट कहाँ से मिलते हैं? But this is not how it works, right? You just keep trying. I have tried music, I have tried EDM, I have tried vlogging, I have tried a lot of things, to be honest. I have even tried driving an Uber, believe it or not. I have this Uber driver app, right? 2019 I started. I just wanted to do something. Like how people react if someone is wearing a Howard t-shirt and drives an Uber to your place, right? And he speaks to well, थोड़े पढ़े लिखे की तरह बात करते हैं, right? So I just wanted to experience that. मेरे को उस चीज से पैसे नहीं कमाने थे, मेरे को उस चीज को मतलब ऐसा प्रोफेशन नहीं बनाना था, right? I just did that for a very short time. मजे मजे. You just keep trying things, right? Different things, right? I tried agriculture, I tried e-commerce, I tried clean tech, right? So you just keep trying, and that is how you get to know like where your interest is actually. आप ऐसे खाली पीली नहीं बता सकते यार ये आपका इंटरेस्ट कहाँ पर है.
Yes, sir. Anyone else in the audience has a question? Anyone? Yes, Swarnali, you can ask a question.
So just now you said that we should try out different things. So I had a specific question related to startups. Like when we think of starting a company, it feels like it's a long-term commitment. Like you need to keep working on that for years to come and keep looking after that. So what if right now I'm interested in startup? I have a specific idea. I build up a company, but in the back of my mind, I'm thinking that a few years down the line I might want to do something different. Then is it right to found a startup?
Definitely, yeah, I highly recommend starting your own venture in college, right? And it doesn't matter if you're interested in entrepreneurship or not. Try something. कुछ बेच के देखो. You will have that different sense of responsibility when you do it, right? And even if you get into an organization, आपको मान लो placements में ही बैठना है, but still do it because you will learn a lot. You will get to know the like how the real business works. Right? आप दुकानदार के पास जाते हो, आपको एक दुकानदार होगा जो प्यार से बुलाएगा, एक दुकानदार होगा जो सुनेगा भी नहीं, and there will be one दुकानदार जो आपका सामान भी रख लेगा और आपको गाली भी देगा, right? So you will see a different kind of people, right? And this is something which I highly recommend, right? And now when you say you have to work for a longer period of time, I think
No, sir, I'm not talking about when I'm starting. I'm talking about long-term goals. Like when I have a startup, I have made commitments to the people who are working under me, and I have made investments. So I'm saying that in the long run, I will always be responsible for that organization. That's what I'm saying. That if I want to explore further in some other areas, then I might not get enough time. That's what I'm saying.
see, you should be first thing जो responsibility वाली चीज है, I think you should be responsible for whatever you do, be it startup or be it anything, right? But it gives you a sort of like a different kind of respect for yourself, to be honest, right? When you feel responsible, right? And the second thing is now longer term, right? So let's say you get into a job, right? You don't get into a job for 5 years or 3 years, right? You are there till your 60s, 50s, right? It is same with everything. If Arijit Singh is singing today or playing music, he's there in this industry for next 10, 20, 30, 40 years, right? Right? So whatever you do, there has to be a long commitment, right? And now when you say you have some commitment with people or maybe some financial commitments, when you're starting your own venture, obviously there will be in whatever you do. Arijit Singh, if he started singing, he had to purchase a guitar back in 1990s, jab bhi tha, right? If you want to get into a job, you will need a degree. You will be end up paying a lot of fees to the colleges, right? If you start a company, you'll have to make some investments, right? Time investment, financial investment, be it any investment. Do like whatever you do. If you are planning to start a YouTube channel, you'll have to do some investment, right? आपको या तो बैकड्रॉप लेना पड़ेगा बैकग्राउंड में टांगने के लिए, या फिर if you don't want to do out indoor videos, आपका पास वो स्पेस ही नहीं है, then you will go and try to find a location. आप पार्क में जाओगे, आप कहीं और जाओगे, you will try to find a place which is a little like a little quiet, right? So whatever do you'll have to make investments. And now when you say about time management, that you want to find time to explore other interest, right? Then I think it is totally up to how you manage your time and how you prioritize, right? To be very honest, I work 18 hours a day, right? Give or take 18 hours a day, and still I get enough time to spend with my family, right? And still I get enough time to spend with my friends, right? And like right now, as I'm entering into FMCG, I'm doing some cooking stuff also. Like कल I'll be preparing lavash. ठीक है, मेरे को एक बार खुद से बना के ट्राई करना है लवाश होता कैसे, खुद से बनता कैसे. एंड राइट बिफोर दिस कॉल आई वाज प्रिपेयरिंग हमस. ठीक है, और उसके बाद अभी इस कॉल के बाद आई विल गो एंड प्रिपेयर फलाफल. ठीक है. So you should be good at time management, and I don't think time management is something which can be taught. It is more of an energy management thing. How do you manage your energy? Because like I tell you, यार कॉलेज में फर्स्ट ईयर में आई यूज्ड टू बोर्ड अ मेट्रो. 2 लाइन चेंज करके जाता था, डेढ़ घंटा मेरे को एक साइड लग जाता है. सो ऑन एन एवरेज आई वाज स्पेंडिंग मोर देन 3 hours ऑन जस्ट कम्यूटिंग फ्रॉम माय प्लेस टू कॉलेज, राइट? एंड ऑनेस्टली घर आते आते ना हालत ऐसे खराब हो जाती थी, कुछ करने का मन ही नहीं होता था. इवन इफ आई गेट होम बाय 7 PM और 6 PM, मैं रात को 11 बजे तक बेड पे पड़ा हुआ स्क्रॉल कर सकता था और कुछ नहीं कर सकता था. Like I was very low on energy, क्योंकि मेट्रो में आप खड़े खड़े आ रहे हो. इन केस इफ यू नो अबाउट राजीव चौक, अ वेरी फेमस प्लेस, लात मार के मेट्रो से बाहर कर देते हैं और लात मार के अंदर कर देते हैं. दिस इज हाउ द सिनेरियो इज देयर लिटरली. ठीक है. एंड यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर पॉकेट्स यार, कोई फोन ही ना निकाल ले. सो बट second year onwards I started using my own car to travel, right? So I was saving a lot of time and energy, right? एंड कभी कभी क्या होता था, इफ आई फेल्ट कि यार रात को 7 बज गए हैं एंड अभी ट्रैफिक बहुत ज्यादा होगा, आई वांट गो होम, मैं रात को 10 बजे चला जाता था. मैं 2 घंटे कैंटीन में, 3 घंटे कैंटीन में बैठ के कर लेता. 10 बजे ट्रैफिक खाली होता था, राइट? सो यू शुड बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट योर गोल्स, आपको कैसे मैनेज करना है, राइट? एंड आई थिंक सबके पास 24 घंटे होते हैं यार, बीट एनी रिक्शा वाला और बीट ओबामा, राइट? सबके पास 24 घंटे होते हैं यार. नाउ इट इज अप टू यू हाउ यू मैक्सिमाइज दीस like 24 hours, right? I take most of my calls on like half day I'm on my phone. किसी का कॉल आ रहा है, कभी क्लाइंट का कॉल आ रहा है, कभी किसी का आ रहा है, कभी मम्मी पूछ लेती है बेटा खाना खाया नहीं खाया, राइट? एंड नाउ इवन आई हैव टू मेक सम कॉल्स कभी कभी कि मेरे को किसी से ज्ञान चाहिए थोड़ा बहुत. सो व्हाट आई डू, लाइक व्हेन आई एम ड्राइविंग आई टेक कॉल्स इंस्टेड ऑफ लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक, राइट? सो you should be very particular about how to manage your time. It is not like कि आपको एक टाइम पे एक ही चीज करनी है. मतलब there are a lot of people who recommend कि आपको एक ही चीज करनी चाहिए. It is up to like what works for you. Like honestly, I can handle multiple things. Right now, I'm into e-commerce, I'm into FMCG, I'm into agriculture, right? And अभी I'm pretty well like मेरे को पता है मेरी लिस्ट में फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी क्या है, सेकंड क्या है, थर्ड क्या है. With all these things, I'm creating content very consistently on LinkedIn. रोज का एक post has to be there, right? And then I'm also working with some clients, right? And then I have some prior commitments with some of my giant clients called corporates as well, right? And plus, मेरे घर में भी like now I'm 21, I have some छोटी मोटी responsibilities, right? So it is up to you, yaar, how you manage your time, right? I don't think that if you start working on something, you won't be able to do another thing. It is up to you, right? I never record any of my YouTube videos during a day. It is always after midnight. सब सो जाते हैं, सब शांत होता है, so I don't have to worry about बाहर कुत्ता भौंक रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, गाड़ी जा रही है, right? And To be honest, in day I'll be troubling my family also कि यहाँ पे मत आना, यहाँ पे मत आना, मैं वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर, अरे आवाज मत करो यार, चुप हो जाओ, टीवी कम कर लो, राइट? I don't need to do that. रात को I have that space, I have that uh, like kind of environment, right? And this is how I record my videos. I'm still doing it कि चलो YouTube को explore करते हैं, YouTube as a platform, because I think there is some potential to grow on YouTube, right? On Facebook it is completely dead. So it is again यार up to you how you manage your time. आप multitask कर सकते हो तो करो, नहीं कर सकते तो don't be very emotional. You started a company, you made some investment and it failed. आपको लग रहा है कि चल नहीं रही, but आप उसको जबरदस्ती कंधे पर रख के खींच रहे हो. Won't make a major difference. उसको छोड़ दो वहाँ पे, start something else.
Yes, sir. Sir, I actually had another question. Suppose nowadays we meet many people online whom we don't know in real life, and it's all not always possible to check out the groundwork they have done. So, anyone can build their own website and create their own LinkedIn account. So
Mhm.
there is no specific way. So how do we check that person's authenticity when we want to collaborate with a complete stranger?
First thing, why do you want to check their authenticity?
Sir, because there is there are multiple people with whom we can work. So if a particular person shows interest, then obviously we would like to know that know something about their background. Because what if because it's always right to know about a person's intentions before working with that person. That always helps in the long run.
So are you asking from a business perspective?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So first thing, like again, I know a lot of people who talk big things on LinkedIn on their social media, but they have done nothing in real life, right? And to be honest, there were a lot of people who I personally idolized. कि यार मेरे को तो ये बंदा बहुत अच्छा लगता है, I want to be like him, right? And later, like now at this stage, I realize क्या मतलब क्या बंदा था. Now I realize this thing, right? And this is something which comes with experience and when you are well connected. So now this the guy I was talking who invested 6 crores in FMCG business, right? Now this person, I met him through a Sindhi guy, right? And I the Sindhi guy for 8 months, right? Because I knew his credibility. And how do I know his credibility? From a referral, right? So I saw someone putting a story. So किसी ने मेरा कुछ podcast लिया था यार, and then this I saved his contact, and then another day he posted a link on WhatsApp stories. मैंने देखा किसका, and this person like he comes from a similar industry. मैंने कहा let's connect to him. I dropped him a message, यार इसका number दे, and I connected with him, right? And after that, I chased him for almost 7-8 months. Right? He comes from a very influential family in Delhi, right? And after chasing him, I got connected to at least 10-15 different people. Right? So first thing is it works on the referral basis. आप किसी एक को जानते हो, then दूसरे को जानते हो, then तीसरे को जानते हो, चौथे को जानते हो, right? The second thing is if you are seeing someone online, आपको randomly एक बंदा मिलता है and you see कि हाँ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है देखने में. How do you go about like checking their authenticity? Now here first thing is you should understand like at what gravity you want to work, right? आपको उससे क्या चाहिए? If you are getting into a business worth maybe 1 crore, ठीक है, तो obviously यार आप ऐसे मुंह उठा के नहीं चले जाओगे, ठीक है? But if it is something related to कि आपको किसी को hire करना है, right? You want to hire a software developer or something. So hiring is a process यार जहाँ पे आपको नहीं पता कि who is going to be the right person for you. I see hiring as a like a thing which works both the ways. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे को सामने वाला बंदा अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. ऐसा हो सकता है कि यार उसको भी युवांश का एटीट्यूड अच्छा ना लगे, कह रहे तो बहुत काम देता है, वो तो 3 बजे तक काम करवाता है, राइट? कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट? सो नाउ व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से हियर इज there is no any particular parameter on which you can identify the authenticity of any person. You can only get to know after talking to him. If you have more experience, if you are more exposed, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि यार ये तो एक बार बात करके कि यार ये तो फेंक रहा है, बेकार बंदा है. But if you don't have that kind of if you don't have that kind of connectivity, then आपको 6 महीने बाद पता चल जाएगा. But again, these 6 months will be a different sort of experience for you, right? अभी आई कैन टेल कि यार कौन बंदा मार्केट में किस हिसाब से है, कौन कहाँ पे लाई करता है, वो अपने आप को क्या दिखाते हैं, राइट? बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट 2016, आई वाज डेफिनेटली नॉट द सेम पर्सन. मेरे को ये लोग बहुत अच्छे लगते थे, यार यही तो दुनिया चला रहे हैं, दैट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग, राइट? सो बट these 4 years give me experience of how to judge someone, right? And to be honest, I can't judge anyone even at this point in time. But मेरे को धीरे धीरे थोड़े बहुत फैक्टर्स पता चल गए जो चीजें मतलब जिस फैक्टर से ये चीज अफेक्ट होती है, right? And I'm not very 100% sure कि जो next बंदा मिलेगा I'll be able to judge him very correctly or not. But then again, this is going to be a different experience for sure, right?
Thank you, sir. That was very helpful.
Thank you.
I think we have already exceeded our time limit,
Yes.
and we should come to an end. And so, at the end, we would like some advice from you. What advice, according to you, you want to give to everyone who is present right now?
Yeah, what kind of advice do you want? Is it financial advice? Is it advices about something else? What?
So, advice like how a student in this college should see his future, how he should have a perspective, and how he should build it. Final advice.
See, like few years back, I had plans कि मेरे को 5 साल बाद ये चीज करनी है, 3 साल बाद ये, like 1 साल बाद ये होगा, 2 साल बाद ये होगा, 3 साल बाद, 4 साल, मेरे पास 5 साल के प्लान होते थे. But to be very honest, like life is unpredictable, right? मेरे को नहीं पता कि कल I'll be sitting here or not. Very frank, right? So now I have plans for the next week. मेरे को आज से 10 साल बाद नहीं पता कि मैं क्या करूंगा, बट राइट नाउ आई हैव प्लान्स फॉर नेक्स्ट वीक. मेरे को नेक्स्ट वीक ये चीज करनी है, राइट? उससे नेक्स्ट वीक का भी नहीं पता, वो अगले हफ्ते डिसाइड कर लेंगे, राइट? एंड व्हाई आई डू दिस, बिकॉज अभी जो मेरे प्लान्स होते हैं, जो मेरे गोल्स होते हैं, वो मैंने छोटे कर दिए, राइट? इफ लेट्स से 4 years back I was aiming for having maybe 1 lakh users by 2020. बीच में जो वो था ना 10,000 20,000 30,000 वाला फेज, वो मिसिंग था. बट नाउ आई हैव like micro goals कि by next week I'll be having this much of user on our website or something, whatever I'm doing, right? So now when I have smaller goals and when I'm able to achieve them, this gives a kind of accomplishment वाली feeling, right?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा लगता है कि यार चीजें हो रही हैं, right? This is working, right? And when you have micro goals, you start working towards them. सुबह उठ के लगता है कि यार 1 लाख यूजर्स चलो हो जाएंगे, कर लेंगे. बट व्हेन यू नो कि यार आज 10 है और मेरे को 15 खींचना है, आज मेरे पास 10 यूजर है, मेरे को 15 खींचना है रात तक, देन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट. यार आज रात तक का ही टाइम है मेरे पास करने के लिए, राइट? नाउ आई हैव दिस टू डू लिस्ट ऑन माय, सो आई हैव द लाइक, अगर मेरे को मंथली टू डू लिस्ट है, वो मैं वॉल पे स्टिकर लगा देता हूँ डायरेक्टली कि मेरे को पूरे महीने में ये चीजें करनी है, जो आर नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? बट मेरी अगर टू डू लिस्ट की बात करें, वो डेली लिस्ट होती है. इट्स ईदर ऑन माय स्क्रीन, लाइक अभी भी ये चीज मैंने यहाँ पे ना ऐसे चिपकाया हुआ था नीचे, स्टिकी नोट्स मैंने अपने लैपटॉप पे चिपका रखा था, ठीक है? एवरी टाइम आई ओपन माय लैपटॉप, वो मेरे सामने होता है, राइट? सो आई मीन हैव सम डिसिप्लिन इन योर लाइफ. मेरे को काफी टाइम लगा यार लाने में, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. पहले ऐसे चलता था, सुबह 4 बजे उठे, कभी 4 बजे सो रहे हैं, कभी उठ रहे हैं, राइट? देयर वाज नो पर्टिकुलर डिसिप्लिन इन माय लाइफ, कभी भी कुछ भी हो रहा था, राइट? सो हैव सम डिसिप्लिन इन योर लाइफ, बी श्योर अबाउट, बी स्पेसिफिक अबाउट व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. You can be wrong about it, right? But आपको उस मोमेंट पे पता होना चाहिए आपको क्या करना है. And start having smaller goals. Let's say if you want to be Arijit Singh, आपको गाना ही गाना है स्टेज पे जाके, you want to be a singer, you can't directly go and play in front of maybe 1,000 people, right? Have some smaller goals कि पहले यार कॉलेज की सोसाइटी में सबको नचाऊंगा, फिर उसके बाद मैं सबको गाना गा के सुनाऊंगा अपने कॉलेज छोटे फेस्ट में जो बच्चों का कंपटीशन होता है. Then say I'll go and play in a pub or club, right? And then you start having bigger goals, right? So yes, this is something are like there can be n number of advices, to be honest, right? But don't listen to every advice which is not working for you. ये भी एक advice है. And don't get temporary motivations. There should be a factor which motivates you, right? जो आपको खुद से ही सुबह उठ के लगता है कि यार चलो आज काम पे जाना है, ये चीज करनी है. Even if you make a to-do list tomorrow and वो शाम तक आते आते हैं ऐसे लगेगा अभी करता हूँ, 2 बज गए, 4 बज गए, 6 बज गए, 10 बज गए, at 10 you will realize कि यार अब तो 10 बज ही गए हैं, इसको कल करते, right? Actually a phase when this thing was happening with me, to be honest, right? But आपको उठ के करना ही पड़ेगा. And when you start doing it, like I give an example of book here. So when you start reading a book, आपको, I don't know how many people read a book here, but when you start reading the first word, then you move to the second word, then third word, and धीरे धीरे you complete a sentence, right? and then you complete a page, right? आप जब बुक उठाते हो तो आप 2-3 पेज पढ़ ही लेते हो एटलीस्ट, राइट? उससे कम मेरे हिसाब से कोई नहीं पढ़ता होगा, राइट? बट इफ यू जस्ट कीप थिंकिंग अबाउट इट कि मेरे को बुक पढ़नी है, वाली पढ़नी है, मे बी 0 to 1 पढ़ूंगा, एंड यू नेवर स्टार्टेड, you won't even like finish first 2-3 pages, right? But when you start with the first word, right, जब आप just understand the gravity of what I'm saying here, जब आप पहला वर्ड पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर देते हो ना दूसरा ऑटोमेटिकली पढ़ ही लेते हो आप। ऐसा नहीं होता, मैंने आज तक जिंदगी में एक बंदा नहीं देखा यार कि जिसने सोचा आज मैं पहला वर्ड पढ़ूंगा और पहला पढ़ के बंद कर दिया, पहले के बाद आप दूसरा कर ही लेते हो, राइट? एंड दिस इज हाउ लाइक एवरी मॉर्निंग स्टार्ट्स फॉर मी। टू डू लिस्ट देख के लगता है कि हाँ यार चलो करते हैं, एंड मैं बस शुरू कर देता हूँ एंड वो होने लगती हैं चीजें, राइट? सो जस्ट स्टार्ट वट एवर यू डूइंग। आपको मे बी स्टार्टअप करना है, आप पिछले 6 महीने से सोच रहे हो बैठे हुए करेंगे कैसे करेंगे, ये होगा वो होगा, जस्ट स्टार्ट यार, जो होना होगा हो जाएगा। ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, बंद हो जाएगा, 4-5 हज़ार रुपए खराब हो जाएंगे, उससे ज्यादा लगाने भी नहीं, है ना? बट यू विल गेट अ लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस, राइट? लर्निंग कर्व इज गोइंग टू बी डिफरेंट, सो जस्ट स्टार्ट वट एवर यू आर डूइंग। आपको पढ़ाई भी करनी है ना, आप टॉपर हो क्लास में, वैसे तो कोई टॉपर होगा नहीं यहाँ पे, वो पढ़ रहा होगा। अगर कोई टॉपर है भी गलती से, उसको पढ़ना है तो आप पढ़ने लगो, राइट? जस्ट स्टार्ट एंड यू विल बी गुड।
That was an amazing advice, sir. And I think that is the kind of motivation that everyone requires right now, especially in the pandemic, and especially everyone staying at home. And we cannot see everybody around us what they are doing and how they are doing it. But this kind of motivation that every day is very important for everyone. So thank you so much, sir, for the amazing advice. And now we come to an end to this session, and we thank you, sir, for coming here and giving his amazing advices and his telling us about his journeys. And absolutely everyone must have learned something or the other from your journey. So thank you so much, sir, for coming, and we are blessed to have you here.
Sure, thank you so much, Alicia. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you, sir.
Lovely talking to you all.
Yeah, that-
Yes, anyone wants to ask something? Okay, then we'll wrap it up for tonight. And soon a series, next webinar will be sharing to everyone, and please do attend the next webinar as well. And thank you so much, sir.
Sure, thank you. It was a pleasure talking to you, all of you.
Thank you, sir.